Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on activating data transfer for Seat apps on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the menu button to the right of the screen, then tap System. Scroll down the system settings and tap the checkbox to the right of Activate Data Transfer for Seat apps. When there's a check in the checkbox, data transfer for Seat apps is switched on, and when there's no check, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.